Hello everyone, from today on we will use the Arduino board and software. I will show you how to install the Arduino IDE, which is the Integrated Development Environment. Please go to Google and type Arduino IDE. So click on Arduino software IDE, scroll down, select your operating system. Please make sure to install the newest um, version. If you have an older one, deinstall it first and then install the new version. For Windows, click on this. For Mac, click on this. And the, here you just download, or you can contribute if you like. So, and the Arduino will be downloaded, and when the download is done, please just click on this and follow the steps, the default steps without any changes. So I have the Arduino on my system. I will start it. So when you open Arduino, it loads automatically the last file or project. You can start a new project and close the older one. So this is the default. I will pick a very simple program, but you have to save your program. I recommend you to create a directory for all your projects and store the projects in that directory for quick access. So I can do it here. This is the easy program. As you can see here, we will use the serial terminal. Please plug in the board into your computer. So, and to run this program, we need to, you can do it in two ways. You can compile first, it's called verify, or upload. Upload will also cause compilation of the program. So let's do both. Before this, please go to Tools and Serial Monitor. So to see the results of executing this program, I clear the output. Make sure to have no line ending here. So let's run the program. Especially in today's activity, we will use the memory data or the memory estimation data that are generated automatically for you. They will appear here. So for the flash and for the RAM. So I will ask you in different questions to read these two numbers and enter them into your Moodle question. So as you can see here, the program runs successfully and the output has been shown on the terminal. Thank you so much.